Shopping for groceries. Can you help me find some baking items? Certainly. All of our baking items are located in aisle 7. Thank you. Will I find the arrowroot powder there as well? I believe so. Just let me know if you can't find it. Thank you. If the powder isn't in aisle 7, you might find it in aisle 10 with our specialty items. All right, I'll try both aisles. Let me know if you need anything else. I found most of my items, but I could not find the arrowroot powder. Okay, let me help you with that. I checked with the baking items and specialty items, but I'm just not seeing it. No problem. If we can't find it in the aisles, I can check the back. It might need restocking. Thank you. I appreciate it. We don't seem to have any in the back either, but my manager says we might find some in the bulk food section. I hope so. I really need it. Ah yes, here it is, arrowroot powder. Just fill up one of the clear bags with the amount you need. Write the bin code on the plastic tag so the cashier will know what it is. Thanks. I'll know where to find it for next time. Anything else I can help you with? No, that's all the help I need for today. Thank you.